Okay, we're recording.
Yeah.
I mean the homework quiz.
No. Those. I saw they were due like. Oh yeah. Have you taken them yet?
Yeah, I did. It was
pretty
bad.
easy.
I did it at work. It only took me like 15 minutes.
Oh, nice.
What do you mean by part 2, Scott?
So are you looking at the preparation assignment?
Yeah.
So there's a part 1, which is just questions 1 through 5. And then there's a part 2 for preparation assignment B, which you were supposed to like make a graph and
6 through
find
10.
sample size companies.
All right.
You see it?
No. What is it under? Is it under lesson 2 still?
No, it's under lesson 3.
Oh. Is that what we're looking at?
Yeah, we did lesson 2 on Tuesday.
With the homework quiz and everything?
Yes.
So you didn't. So, are we preparing for the group meeting for next week or what?
No,
So there's 2 group meeting quizzes every week.
And this is for lesson 3?
Yeah.
yeah. Are you ready for it?
Yeah.
Good for you.
Yep, I'm ready.
I read through it today, but I'll be honest with you. I thought that I wasn't sure what tonight was about because I made a mistake thinking lesson 3 was week 3.
Yeah.
So that was my
Prepared for next week.
yeah, but my fault.
It's okay.
So are you guys in the student union building?
Yeah.
Well, that's weird. I can actually hear the delay when I say something to you.
It's because some of them aren't using headphones.
Oh, maybe I'm hearing it from Eric's computer.
Probably.
Yeah, that's weird. It's like an echo.
I can go to the other room if you want. So yeah, the part 1's pretty straightforward because it's just like match. It's just defining a bunch of terms.
The thing is, what incentive do we have? Like, are we actually supposed to make the graphs? Or do we turn that in?
No, we don't turn it in. We just do the.
Feels like I don't want to make a graph. Like, understanding the principles, like, I get, but, like...
Do we want to attempt the quiz? Because you get 2 tries, it says. You get 2 attempts.
Yeah, I feel like we can attempt it.
So do you guys just want to try it?
Yeah. When is the homework for lesson 2 due? Homework quiz.
The 14th, I believe.
The lesson 2 homework's due Saturday night at 11.
Yeah.
Why is it due after lesson 3 quiz is due? That's weird. Okay.
Well, then lesson 3 homework quiz will be next Tuesday, right?
Pretty sure they're both. Yeah, I think they're both due on Saturday.
Oh, they both are?
Yep. So every week you have 2 group quizzes and 2 lesson quizzes, or homework quizzes, it looks like.
Okay.
Okay, so do you want to start the quiz?
Yeah, I opened it. It's got a .sav file. I don't know how to open a .sab file.
Where is that? The first
So it
question.
says, when you open the quiz, it says, when calculating, no, it says, you'll need the following data file, wrong site, wrong patient, .sa. And my
that's-
computer does not open.
So just go to content, lesson 3, and then go to lesson 3 group meeting quiz through content.
I'm in, yeah, I'm in the quiz. It's just, it says that there's a file that you need to open.
Where's the SPS?
It's what we downloaded at the beginning of the class.
Oh. Put that much.
I didn't. What's the SBS for? What's it? I thought it was a video chat.
So the SPSS, yeah, it's a software setup.
Yeah, go to week 1.
That's how you open all the SAD files. But when I bought mine didn't work, so I haven't been able to use it at all.
Well, you have to buy SPSS?
Yeah. Well, she said we can either buy it or there's a free version, but there's a lot more complications with the free version.
Yeah, I'm okay with complications. Damn. So can anyone open those files?
Well, I have them downloaded, but I don't know what I'm supposed to do.
Do you have SPSS downloaded? Okay, go to the quiz.
Well, I tried.
What happened?
Just for this.
Did you put
Hello. Good, I'm taking a
Chris,
quiz.
do you know how to do the SPSS?
Okay. Bye. Sorry.
It says if you're running Snow Leopard. Snow Leopard came out in like 2009 when I went for Snow Leopard. Are you trying to download it, Scott?
Yeah.
Well, I've got the SPSS thing opened up, but I don't see the patient thing. Maybe I need to search it. Called wrong patient?
It's just on the quiz once you open the quiz out.
Yeah, I have the quiz open. but it says I need to open the wrong patient, wrong quiz.
Wrong site, wrong patient.
Yeah.
Yeah, what happens when you click on it?
It asked me to download it, but I have the SPS on my computer on Excel.
So it's just asking you to download the specific document.
Yeah, so SPSS should allow you to open wrong site, wrong patient.
Okay, I got it downloaded. We're in week 2, lesson 3. Okay. And it's open. Okay.
Did we lose Eric?
Nice.
Oh, okay.
Here. I just threw it out of my.
Okay. Try if you right-click the document to try changing what program to open it with. It says you don't have permission to print this page. Oh, I'm there.
Now, I thought I downloaded everything I needed to download at the beginning, but obviously it's not working.
So I have the SPSS downloaded, but now it's saying I can't. It doesn't know how to open that document with that program. Are you buying it, Scott?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, I got it a while back, but when I tried opening it, it said it wasn't able to. So.
Let me try this.
I wonder why. I wonder what .sap file specifically. Yeah, I just opened it in Excel instead.
Sure.
Yeah.
You open it with Excel.
Go to your downloads. You can right click.
If you go to the data, the wiki that says the data, what's it called? Data files wiki under the technology folder.
What?
If you go to the week 1 technology folder and then click on data file.
In the software setup.
Yeah, software setup, and the first thing is please open the data files link.
Yeah, what is it?
It's a list of all the files.
That we need?
Yeah, it's all the files for the class. So the wrong site, wrong patient one, there's one of them that's .xlsx, which is a,
Excel.
yeah.
Okay.
It's formatted weird, but it's not the worst thing.
Okay, so what's the question on this now that we've done one?
Oh gosh. Now that we've done part 1, we haven't done any.
Figured out how to open the document.
Good work.
I know, it's done. Okay, find the mean amount of hospital.
Oh gosh.
And on-site lawsuits.
Okay.
So I assume
Wrong site is all this stuff on the left hand side.
so you can just
Yeah. It's a lot of wrong site.
what it yeah. What's the program you use to calculate what is it? I haven't used Excel in so long.
So do you guys just have the calculator?
Huh?
Are you using that calculator
Which one?
on the SPSS?
You have it open? The actual program?
I have the calculator, but I don't have the wrong site data. The one sample z-test protocol,
Me.
or proportion, excuse me.
Okay, I figured out how to do it. It's 8,041.
How did you do it?
You go to the Home tab in Excel, and then you click on Auto Sum. It's on the right, and pretty much the last thing. And you click on the arrow and hit Average after you've selected a box underneath the numbers that you want to average.
Okay.
So it's $80,041.
$80,041.
And 24 cents. Scott, did you get that too?
My reopen.
So it's around your answer to the nearest whole dollar.
Yeah, so it'd be 80,041.
Just trying to figure out how you did that.
Are you in Excel?
Yeah.
So, do you have the Home tab open?
Yes, so home tab. And then there's auto sum, and I see the average.
Okay, so what you do is you click underneath.
Yeah, that's what I got. I'll show you. Okay. So, no, go all the way down. Yeah, click on 413. The box. Go to see where it says auto. Click on the arrow. Average.
Wow. Ah, okay.
Yeah, I got 80,041.
I don't know what you guys are doing or how you're doing it. I'm totally lost over here.
Okay, so are you looking at the Excel spreadsheet?
No, apparently not.
So,
When I open the SPS, all I have is a calculator.
so did you click? So when you opened the quiz, did you see the file?
Which file are you talking about? The wrong site, wrong
Wrong
patient?
site, wrong patient.
Yep.
SAP.
And my
Did you click
computer
on that?
won't open it.
Go to that link.
Okay.
You see that in that message?
That's awesome.
Chris,
Yeah,
do you see the message?
I clicked on it.
Okay, did it take you to a web page?
It did.
Okay, push Control F. Did a little box pop up in your browser?
Yep.
Okay, now type in wrong site. Just type in wrong site and then click the arrow. Okay, do you see wrong site, wrong patient on the browser?
Yep. Just click on that.
Do you see where it says XLSX
Yes.
at the end? Okay, yeah, click on that.
Okay.
Now, then open the download.
Okay.
Did it open an Excel spreadsheet?
Yep.
Okay, so what we're doing here is we're finding the average of the numbers on the left, all the numbers in column A. Do you know how to do that?
You have to add them all up.
So what you do is you scroll all the way down to the bottom. Are you all the way down to the bottom on the Excel spreadsheet?
I am.
Okay, then you click on column 413. You see that?
Yep.
Did you click on it?
Yep.
Okay, on the top right corner, do you see where it says auto sum? As this, there's like a sigma sign right by it.
Top right corner.
Do you see auto sum?
I do not.
You see format or sort and filter.
I have share.
Click on home. Do you see where it says file, insert, or
Yep.
file, home, insert, page layout?
Yep.
Okay, click on home.
Oh, okay.
It should look like that.
Yeah,
Yeah.
now look right under the share, where it said share, look right under it. To the left a little.
By the way, the median is 68,552. And the way you do that is basically the same. It's just you set average, and instead you erase average and replace it with median.
It's the same one.
Okay.
So you
I clicked on
have
auto
to delete the
sum.
average first, so it doesn't go down.
So do you see auto sum, Chris?
Yeah, it says equals A2 semicolon A14 or A12.
Well,
But-
yeah.
Does it say average first?
It says equals sum.
average. Sum then instead of average. So this time go back to the arrow that says auto sum and instead of clicking sum, click average.
Yeah.
Okay.
Do you see the little drop down?
So it did 32,889.
You did sum. So if you click on column 412, 413.
And then you click the arrow next to AutoSum. Don't click AutoSum, click the arrow next to AutoSum. Did you do that?
So there's some average count numbers. What?
So click average. Click average.
Okay.
And then hit enter.
Okay, 80,041. Okay.
There you go.
You guys got to bear with me. I'm kind of stupid when it comes to computers, so.
No worries. So the way that you do median is basically the same. So you click average. So delete what you had in column 413. And then this time go to AutoSum, click average, and then where it says equals average, and then A2 to A412, erase average, and just write the word median in all caps, and then hit enter.
Is it 68,552?
That's right.
Okay.
And you type in median.
Yeah. And then hit enter.
68,552.
Yep.
All right, now I got to get back to the.
Then the next thing we need to do is the standard deviation. And that's also pretty similar. So you click on 413. I like to do the average thing because it does all the other work for you. And then you just hit STDEV.
Is it? Yeah. Did you get 71,403?
Yep.
0.82, whatever.
Does that seem like a reasonable standard deviation? When you look at the numbers, Scott?
So how are you guys doing this on your computer? How do you guys negotiate between all those screens?
We just switch back and forth.
I get lost.
Yeah, all you have to do is pull up the Excel spreadsheet and the quiz. Don't worry about like Google Hangout or anything else. I'd say that's a reasonable standard deviation.
Right, the biggest is 780,000, the smallest is 0, so it seems like 71,000 is both.
So how did you do?
Okay.
How did you do standard deviation?
So just like you do the median, you erase average and write median. This time you write STDEV.
ST what?
DEV.
Alright, we made it through the Excel spreadsheet, it looks like.
I can't imagine that there are no questions about the wrong patient, though. Right?
Yeah, I'm not closing it yet, because maybe later.
Oh, it's all wrong site.
Can you double check that it's all wrong site, Scott?
What did you guys get for standard deviation?
71,403.
But you round, so it's going to be 404, right?
I didn't check closely enough. Is it like 0.6 or something?
0.8.
Okay, yeah.
There's nothing else in the rest of the quiz that asks about that.
Yeah, it says wrong site lawsuits. It doesn't say anything about wrong.
Sweet. Okay. Well then, 5 and 3.
present time.
Okay.
So the next one, what is the mean survival time in months? Should be 7 months.
Yeah, did you just add them together?
Divide by 4. Yeah.
What is the median?
But 5, so
I think the median is 4. Did you get that as well?
Yeah, I'm double checking.
Yep. That's what Excel says.
Okay, yeah, I was gonna do it.
If you were to compute by variance by hand, the following table could be used. Use this table to answer the next few questions. Give the number that would be entered in this space level A. Table above. Okay, so it's deviations from the mean. So yeah. Oh.
Question D.
So how you calculate a standard deviation is you subtract the number from the mean and then square it. So for each number, you subtract the mean and then square the result, and then work out the mean of those squared differences, take the square root of that. We're done.
So, it'd be 19 minus 5.
So is 5 the mean? 7 is the mean, I thought.
Oh, the mean. Yeah, okay. 19 minus 7.
So it's 5 minus 7, 19 minus 7. Oh wait, let's see. So you subtract the mean from the number.
And then square it.
Yep. So, and then you find the mean of all those numbers.
Oh, okay. Just looking for the column labeled A.
Yeah, the column labeled A is the standard how many standard deviations is it from the mean?
Okay.
so you're just looking for the 19.
So we calculated the variance.
And then square root of the whole thing. So it's 4 plus 40.
So, but whatever. So we're just following the same pattern as this.
Yeah.
X over, is that the
So the X with the line over, that means that's. And then in column A, wouldn't this be 19 minus the mean?
So deviations for it's asking deviations from the mean. It says column 2 deviations from the mean, right?
Yeah. So then the other thing, that thing under where it says X minus capital X.
Capital X with the bar over it. That
Yeah.
typically does mean
Is that
Maybe it's not asking for a standard deviation. Maybe it's just asking for a deviation, but that doesn't really make sense to me. But like, okay, so maybe it's 12.
yeah? So it's square. So in one, wait, so it'd be 1 minus 7. 36 would be. I feel like it's too easy, but at the same time,
So would it be
9 is 36 then?
10 is 36.
the question 8 would be 12, right?
9 is 12, yeah. Wait. No, you're right, yeah. Question 9 is 36.
Because it shifts 9.
Just the standard deviation.
So what's question 8?
Question 8 is 12, yeah. So you just take 19 in column 1, you see the 19,
Yeah.
and you subtract the mean of those 4 numbers, which is 7. So it's 12.
So technically, the standard deviation is 7.07, but is that just approximately 7? And number 10, because it asked for the standard deviation survival times. So 7.1.
Yeah, it says round 10, so would it be 7.1?
Yeah.
How did you guys get that?
Because you do the standard deviation.
How to get that?
Huh? You just do what
Did you?
you find the square deviation of each thing, and then you find the mean of the square deviations, and then you square root it.
Oh, so you've gone through the whole chart?
Yeah, just for all 4 of them. You have to do square deviation because there can be negatives.
The wrong page. Part.
What is the first number in the 5-number summary for the wrong patient lawsuit? It could be the min. Is the number in the 5 summary. That's it. Yeah, I think so.
Number, that's the first quarter, right?
Right, first quarter.
So go for that. What is it?
Pretty sure there's a thing that just says quartile. I remember on the.
It's quartile?
Yeah.
Not yet.
Just type in quartile.
What's that? You cut out. What did you say? I need to do a lot more reading because I am totally lost here.
out a bunch of stuff. Nope.
It's saying you've entered too few arguments.
So you have to put after what you put, you have to put comma which quartile. So you put 1 or 2 or 3 or whatever.
After the EXC.
No. So you're not putting average. It was just 77. You have to put comma 1.
I'm only getting about every fourth word.
Dang, that's not working either.
Uh, 3,900.
What?
Yeah, B2. You remember how we calculated the mean and the median in the Excel spreadsheet?
Yeah, 3,900's right. You just have to make sure you close the parentheses. That's what I was doing.
Yeah. Yes. Can you hear us?
No, I'm only getting about every third word. It's like it's cutting out.
Chris?
Yes.
Okay, what you do is you go in example an average and replace it with quartile.
I'm not hearing you at all, Zach.
He's lagging.
Hello? Can you hear me, Scott?
Can you hear us?
I can hear Scott, but I can't hear Zach at all.
Can hear you, Zach. Can you hear me, Chris?
I can hear Scott. That's all I can. Can you hear me?
Your Excel spreadsheet?
What?
Are you at your Excel spreadsheet?
Yes.
Do you see where the B column?
Yes.
Put it
Hello?
because you're doing the first quote, which is 1. So there's a minimum.
Can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you. What question? 12. Yeah, the second number. So the first number is the min, and is the first quote. There. Let's see. That'd be 5. Where is it? 5.
Luckily, it skips to number 4, and then it's just an E.
Let's see the 5 or something. Present minimum.
So where are you guys at? I don't even know where you're at.
I said, okay,
A second.
no. No.
So on. So,
Oh, so it's not really like what number you put in. It's
Siri.
doing for it.
is second number is first quartile. First number. Second quartile. Does that make sense?
So then the next part is like the easiest part. Interpreting a box and whisker plot.
Good question.
Are you
Question.
did 436? Yeah.
That's what you mean, right?
Yeah, no, I'm okay. What'd you get? Did you get 30?
I got 46,172 for 13.
Third quartile, right?
It's the mean.
Well, the third
Oh,
question.
it's third quartile. Dang it. I just read it wrong.
Chris, what number are you on?
I've lost you guys. I don't even know where you're at. I can hear half of what you're saying, and I'm still on question number 12. So I'm not sure where
Okay,
we're at.
we're on 13.
What was the answer to 12?
Very well.
Hello? Can you hear
Can you
me?
hear me?
Can you guys hear me at all?
Hear you.
Yeah, I'm on B.
Calculated the average.
Why are we not being able to hear each other?
Zach, did you get 50,000 for 1013? Oh, Zach's gone.
You guys, can you hear me at all?
For here, you do. And then round to the nearest cent.
You have reached the voicemail.
going on? There it's doing. It's like
Okay. Did you guys get those answers yet? 90 for 14, 7, 10, 105 for 16.
how did you get that?
Because is just a 5-number summary.
Yeah.
Each point being one of the points on the 5-number summary. So it's first quartile, mean, max.
So there's
Part that's right there.
third.
Okay.
Not a mean.
So it's like first, second, third, fourth, fifth. Yeah.
15.
Okay. So from the Boxing risk plot, it doesn't directly give you the median. Is it the median? Is it possible to calculate that or no?
Can you just take all those numbers that are at each?
Yeah, could you take the 5 numbers and just do the average of that? Would that work?
No, because your max would throw off your mean attack.
That's true. Yeah, because we're not given all of them. So the only way you could do it would be 5.
But that won't work.
Thing it can't be determined on what numbers are. Only gives 5 numbers, so it's just take the 5 summary numbers
Yeah.
and putting it in a little like a graph type thing. So you're not getting the box plot for all these. So what we calculated. There's 177 numbers, right? So it's the same thing goes for this. There could be billions of numbers. There could only, but we don't know.
Yeah.
You can apparently get a rough estimate, but you can't get it exact. Cannot be determined. Also for 50,145 point.
50,436.
Really?
Yeah.
Just you put it in number 178, right?
178.
Quartile B7, comma 3.
Put quartile.exe.
Make a difference, I don't think. 3.
Because when I put just quartile in, I got your number. Quartile.exe. You know. What? The same?
I think they're the same, but I think the 145.
It just deleted the X and the exe.
Accidentally put your mean or something.
Because all I put your number. And then when I type in exe,
Well, you think that when I type in .exe, it doesn't even register that it's a thing.
yeah.
No, I get the same answer. Exe.
Yeah, quartile.exe.
No, I get a different answer. I wonder why that is.
Dude. I mean, apparently it does, but 50,000.
Yeah, because it's to the nearest cent, so it's 50 cents, right? Okay.
There. I don't even see you, Zach. How am I talking
Spot
to you?
on the bottom where I see you, but then I see you in the Yeah, I feel pretty good about our answers, right?
Yeah. And the crits. And 12. 12. 15. 1, 4, 5, 1, 5. The question, make sure we all have the same answers.
I don't have any of the answers. Can you guys hear me at all?
You know. Do you have what? Do you not have your any of the questions?
I've been trying to talk to you guys and no one's responding to me. I feel like I'm being ignored here. Can you guys hear me at all?
Really hear you. Like you're cutting out.
Hello?
You hear us?
I only get about every other word. Like you're cutting out, like some kind of weird speaker thing. See, now it's, I guess that's you. It's just coming through. So you're hearing me pretty clear.
Yeah.
But I've been trying to ask you where we are, where we're going, and no one's really responding back to me. I mean, if I'm holding up the group, do I need to get out of the group? I just feel like this is,
No, I think the issue is the internet. I don't know what it is specifically.
okay. So I'm still on
So
question
the
11.
deviation is actually 7.
So I've finished question 11, but I'm basically on question 12. You guys, I don't even know where you guys are.
I can't communicate with you because out. We can't hear you. Well,
Yeah. So it's probably not picking up your voice in the recording either.
yeah. That's okay though. If you just put on what you have,
Okay.
it'll be fine. But it's questions. You have answers for
Yeah, so what's
1 through
12?
11, right? 12, we have 3,900.
I thought, so what's 11
It's
then?
7.2 instead of 7.1.
So start at question for question 10.
7.1?
We can put in 7.2.
Okay.
And then question 11 is 0.
Yeah, and 12 is 3,900. Okay. 13.
Is 50145.
50 what?
45.
Okay.
0.5.
Oh, not 4.5, it's 0.5?
Yeah. 45.5.
Okay.
And 14 is 190.
Okay.
15 is 700.
Okay.
And question 16 is
Okay, let's submit.
question Zach 80,041.
1 second, I just need to flip back to that one. New. And X, I don't.
That's what you put. We can use these real quick. Did you submit?
Did I? No. Go ahead.
Like, how about you,
I
Zach?
did.
Yeah. Go ahead and submit.
7.2 was wrong.
I got it wrong. I put it into Excel and it's a 9. And it's supposed to be rounded.
So which one's wrong?
A question. Do you want to
Just-
try putting 7.1?
No, question. That 7.1 is also wrong.
Did you already put that in?
Yeah.
I don't know.
In Excel and everything, so I don't know what. I don't think it makes you get 1 out of 20 wrong.
Chris, did you get or all but one right? Chris?
Yeah, it's for some reason it's taking forever. I don't know why. There.
I think it is.
Yeah, I think it's just your internet, Chris. So we'll have to try it again. I'll send you the answers. You have to submit it again. Is that all right?
Yeah, it went through.
Going through? Okay.
Yep.
Did you get a 17 out of 18?
Yep.
Okay, perfect. That's what we all got.
Okay.
Perfect.
All right. So I'll save and post it.
Okay. We'll meet Tuesday at what, 9?
Sounds good.
Does that work, Zach? Tuesday, 9:15.
Okay.
All right. See you later, Chris.
All right. Bye-bye. Thank you.
Okay. Yeah, it's not like he didn't know. He just couldn't communicate. All right.